muskrat to do it.
Good God. All right. Ooh. Dookie.
Where's the light?
Fun. Where's your light? Right here, smart guy.
Who put that?
You.
That don't look bad.
Oh, those are fresh. The shoes are fresh.
Side looks good. No leaking from the axle. No leaky from the wheel cylinder.
Oh, it looks nice. It's just a little tight, but that's okay. Scotty likes it just a little tight.
There we go. Let's go look at the other
Oh,
side.
look at the other side. Good job, Muskrat.
It's about as bad.
Yeah, so it's not bad at all.
You're welcome. I thought I was recording right now. I'm gonna hold the light.
Way to go.
Team no sleep. Hey, that's this weekend.
Looks pretty good, minus, you know,
A little dusty.
But
Yeah.
other than that, no, we're all right.
How's that? Ooh, pretty.
Oh, yeah. Bump stop's done on this side as well. But other than that, I like how it's mysteriously greasy
Well, pencil.
right there. But it's mysteriously greasy right there. I bet you it was squeaking and somebody sprayed it down.
I bet.
The hanger.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's all over the hanger and all over the thing. Because I bet it was squeaking at the arm there.
Yep.
Odd. Some people do some dumb shit.
That's funny.
One thing I noticed, leave your light on.
Oh.
Look at our fuel tank.
Ooh, nice.
It's been ding, ding, bang, banged.
It's been deuced has it?
Yeah, it's been beat on a little bit. The sender's good. Oh, that's some
Some back there.
interesting body work of question. Oh, crunchy.
Yep.
Yeah, that's been definitely repaired. But not really bad overall.
You know what? You know what you call this right here? A driver.
This is a good driver.
You fix the bushings. You
Yeah.
make it ride nice.
I mean, look at the paint's pretty shiny. I mean, it's got, you know, we talked about this stuff, the staining. But look at, you can see the reflection of the pictures on the wall. Clear as day in it. It's pretty nice.